Unveiling the ink dispensers, a look at top tattoo transfer stencil machines. For tattoo artists, a flawless stencil is the foundation for a stunning piece of body art. Choosing the right tattoo transfer stencil machine can significantly impact workflow and overall results. Here, we delve into the features of 5 popular options, along with estimated prices and the number of stencil cones typically included. Number 5. PaNt Tattoo Transfer Machine Professional Thermal Printer. For seasoned artists demanding the finest detail, this machine reigns supreme. Its high-resolution printing ensures every intricate line transfers flawlessly. Expect professional-grade performance and potentially superior durability. Precision powerhouse, boasting high-resolution printing, the PaNt machine excels at capturing intricate details in stencil designs. This makes it ideal for experienced artists who demand precise transfers. Professional printing system, this machine prioritizes professional-grade performance, potentially offering greater durability and higher print quality compared to some competitors. Estimated price, around €300 and above. Stencil cones, typically not included. Number 4. Stigma Bluetooth Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine. Ditch the cables with this Bluetooth-enabled machine. Compact and portable, it's perfect for on-the-go artists or setting up a temporary workspace. Plus, it boasts speedy printing to minimize downtime. Wireless freedom, the Stigma machine ditches the cables, offering wireless convenience through Bluetooth connectivity. This allows for greater mobility and a more streamlined tattooing experience. Compact design, for artists on the go, the Stigma's compact size makes it easily portable, perfect for travel or setting up a temporary workspace. Fast printing speeds, efficiency is key, and the Stigma promises speedy stencil transfers, minimizing downtime between design and tattooing. Estimated price, around €200 to €300. Stencil cones, included. Number 3. Sacnahe Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine Copier Printer. Need an affordable way to create crisp stencils? This lightweight machine is your wallet's best friend. Perfect for beginners or mobile artists with limited space. Budget-friendly choice, if affordability is a top concern, the Sacnahe machine offers a cost-effective solution for basic stencil needs. Lightweight champion, travel-friendly and easy to handle, this lightweight machine is ideal for mobile tattoo artists or those with limited workspace. Simple operation, for beginners or those seeking a user-friendly experience, the Sacnahe machine boasts a straightforward design with minimal setup required. Estimated price, around €100 to €200. Stencil cones, included. Number 2. LifeBasis Thermal Printer Tattoo Thermal Stencil Printer Copier Machine. Caters to both beginners and experienced artists. Handles temporary and permanent tattoo transfers with ease, keeping your workspace quiet with its silent operation. Versatility for all, catering to both beginners and experienced artists, the LifeBasis machine offers compatibility with temporary and permanent tattoo transfers. Quiet operation, maintaining a comfortable environment is important, and the LifeBasis machine prioritizes quiet operation, minimizing noise during stencil printing. User-friendly design, similar to the Sacnahe machine, the LifeBasis option features a user-friendly design for easy setup and operation, even for those new to the tattoo transfer process. Estimated price, around €200 to €300. Stencil cones, included. Number 1. Phomemo M08F Tattoo Thermal Stencil Machine. This machine offers a larger printing area for tackling big designs and multiple stencils at once. Despite its size, it remains portable for studio or mobile use. For printing size, the Phomemo M08F offers a larger printing area compared to some competitors, allowing for bigger stencil designs or printing multiple smaller stencils at once. Portable powerhouse, despite its larger printing capacity, the Phomemo M08F remains portable, making it a good choice for both studio and mobile use. Wireless convenience, similar to the Stigma machine, the Phomemo M08F utilizes Bluetooth connectivity for wireless printing, removing the need for tethered cables. Wide device compatibility, this machine boasts compatibility with various devices beyond smartphones, allowing for easy printing from tablets, laptops, or desktops. Estimated price, around €200 to €300. Stencil cones, included. With an array of features to consider, the ideal tattoo transfer stencil machine depends on your individual needs. If precision is paramount, the PaNt machine might be your match. For those seeking mobility and wireless convenience, the Stigma or Phomemo M08F are strong contenders. Budget-conscious artists may find the Sacnahe machine a suitable choice, while the LifeBasis option offers versatility for both temporary and permanent tattoo transfers. Ultimately, by considering factors like portability, printing quality, wireless connectivity, budget, and user-friendliness, you'll be well-equipped to choose the perfect tattoo transfer stencil machine to elevate your artwork and streamline your workflow.